Hello students, now we will discuss about power flow control for hybrid vehicles. Due to the variations in hybrid electric vehicle configuration, different power control strategies are necessary to regulate the power flow to or from different components. All the control strategies aim satisfy the following goals: maximum fuel efficiency, minimum emissions, minimum system cost, and good driving performance. Considerations: optimal ICE operating point. The optimal operating point on the torque speed plane of the ICE can be based on maximization of fuel economy. Optimal ICE operating line. In case the ICE needs to deliver different power demands, the corresponding optimal operating points constitute an operating line. Safe battery voltage. Battery voltage should not exceed the maximum voltage limit, or should it fall below the minimum voltage limit. The first one is series hybrid power flow control. Mode 1, startup. IC and battery deliver energy to the power converter. Mode 2, light load. IC output greater than required drive power. Fraction of the generated energy is used to charge the battery. Mode 3, braking. Motor acts as generator, converts the kinetic energy into electricity and is used to charge the battery. Mode 4, the battery can be charged by the IC via the generator even when the vehicle comes to a complete stop. These are the four modes. That is, mode 1, it is normal driving or acceleration. Mode 2, light load. Mode 3, braking or deceleration. Mode 4 is vehicle at stop condition. Power flow control in parallel hybrid. In mode 1, during startup or full throttle acceleration, both the ICE and the EM, that is electric motor, share the required power to propel the vehicle. Typically, the relative distribution between the ICE and electric motor is 80 to 20%. Mode 2. During normal driving, the required traction power is supplied by the ICE only and the EM remains in off mode. Mode 3. During braking or deceleration, the EM acts as a generator to charge the battery via the power converter. Mode 4. Under the light load condition, the traction power is delivered by the ICE and the ICE also charges the battery via EM, that is electric motor. The third one is power flow control series parallel hybrid. The series parallel hybrid system involves the features of series and parallel hybrid systems. Hence, a number of operation modes are feasible. Therefore, these hybrid systems are classified into two categories, that is, the IC dominated and electric motor dominated. The various operating modes of IC dominated system are: mode 1, startup. At startup, the battery solely provides the necessary power to propel the vehicle and the IC remains in off mode. Mode 2. During full throttle acceleration, both the IC and the EM share the required traction power. Mode 3. During normal driving, the required traction power is provided by the ICE only and the EM remains in the off state. Mode 4. During normal braking or deceleration, the electric motor acts as a generator to charge the battery. Mode 5. To charge the battery during driving, the ICE delivers the required traction power and also charges the battery. In this mode, the electric motor acts as a generator. Mode 6. When the vehicle is at standstill, the ICE can deliver power to charge the battery via the electric motor. The fourth one is power flow control complex hybrid control. The complex hybrid vehicle configurations are of two types: front hybrid rear electric, front electric and rear hybrid. The operating modes of electric motor dominated systems are: mode 1, startup. During startup, The electric motor provides the traction power and the ICE remains is in off state. Mode 2, full throttle acceleration. During full throttle, both the ICE and EM provides the traction power. In mode 3, during normal driving, both the ICE and electric motor provides the traction power. Mode 4, during braking or deceleration, the electric motor acts as a generator to charge the battery. Mode 5, during braking or deceleration, the electric motor acts as a generator to charge the battery. Mode 5, to charge the battery during driving, the ICE delivers the required traction power and also charges the battery. The electric motor acts as a generator. The mode 6 is in unique mode. When the vehicle is at standstill, the ICE can deliver power to charge the battery via electric motor. Thank you, students.